And you did get him to cooperate quite nicely.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice and cool, and he posts, and I'm pretty much done with him. Just let him go.
You want to find something like closer to albino, you know?
Someday.
Someday.
I don't know how many years ago. Huh?
That's red outfit?
Red. There's red and Gentillus plains, depending on what part of the state you're on. The east, the Flint Hills on the east, they're reds. But anyway, this site was going to get bulldozed to become a Walmart. And so
Mike,
like,
shout out your podcast. What's it called?
So much Pingle.
So I was like, I'm taking
Listeners
this
out
on,
the way
you know?
here, Mike.
And anyway,
It's just
took
the
a
Mike
long time to
Pingleton
get
effect.
to eat mice,
There's
and then
several
they
queued
would
up
only
for
eat
the
about
way back
5
tomorrow.
times a year, and they'd shut.
You see it? Yeah. Super distance.
No, yeah.
They said it's not. I'm hearing the fight.
Yeah, he's just mourning right now.
He's not happy.
No.
I've tested it. When they're like this, like they're so, especially because the pits are. That didn't take very long.
No, it didn't. Not a happy Mr. Rat Snake. That's for sure. It is nice and pretty though. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart. That was a good strike though.